How are you guys? I hope you're fine and good. Noodle Chief, I will be playing this game and I will be completely explain you how to complete with these games. Noodle Chief, because sometimes many people not to be understand and they asking me on my comment section, please brother, telling me how to complete to be this game. So I will be making for you every time, always to be video. So I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm more helping to you every time, every day. Depend on this game, because I will be completely explain you, because I'm already download this game and I will be explain you how to complete to be this game. And just to be request to you everything to be completely watching my video, and I will be helping to you every time, every day. Okay, just to be tap on these sections. Okay, tap on these sections. Just to be tap on these sections, and they boy coming. Just to be go. Okay, just to be try to be go. Okay, tap on this video, because everything more easily now. Just to be like be done. Okay, okay, okay. 200. So I'll be upping on these sections. I will be sorry. 2.7 movement speeds. Okay, to first of all this is purchasing. Levels 2 speeding. Okay, level 2 start. Okay, match to be higher, and okay, to be done starting now, because this depend on your game and how to complete with these games, because I will be completely helping to you every time, and you will be easily complete with this game. Okay, to be spreading the fastest now, because sometimes people not to be understand how to complete now this. Okay, because if you have more coins, so you will be easily completed to be another like be floors. So this is the everything more easily now. If you want to be more, and click on these options. Okay, one shot. Be clicking on these sections. Okay guys, you're checking now on the unlock these seconds. Okay, levels. So before depend on you how much you will be starting your levels, because depend on your game and how much you will be spending your coins, because if you have more coins, so you will be spending log B this game. So how much you will be purchasing these levels and speeding more fastest, then you will be easily completed to be all of floors. So I hope you will be understand also. Thank you so much, because this is the more in like be easily everything depend on your coins, how much you will be earn coin, and before you will be purchasing also this also to be purchasing, because loading speed, walking speed, and load per waiter total transpiration, because if you purchasing all of this, so you will be easily complete to be this game. And this is the everything more easily, not to be anything hard. Just I'm asking you beyond of watching this video, because this is the more important for you. Tap on these sections and checking now. You will be also to be purchasing second levels needed to be coins. So this is the all of this everything more easily, not to be anything hard, just to be completely all time watching my video, because more helping to you every time every day. So I will be purchasing something about this also levels too,